Hello Monsters. Today we're going to check and adjust the chain on our MM-X70. To adjust the chain on your MM-X70, the first thing you're going to want to do is loosen the axle bolt. And what you're going to do is loosen this side, which is a 14 millimeter, loosen this side, which is a 17 millimeter. You don't have to take it out, just loosen it up a little bit. As you can see, this chain is out of adjustment, needs to be tightened. We're going to be doing that with these adjusters right here. You're going to want to adjust those equally on both sides using a 10 millimeter wrench or socket. You're going to go equally. Go over to the other side. Check the chain tension. That's a little bit tight. Back it off a little bit. That's better. Then you're going to go ahead and tighten the axle bolt up. You're going to want about a 1/2 inch play in the chain. Just tighten it up till it's nice and snug. Check it. That looks about right. You're ready. Now you're ready to lube the chain. What you want to do is block it or prop it up so you have access to the wheel and it's free. The chain spins freely. Go ahead and take your lube. Place something underneath it. Give it a spray. Take a look at it. Make sure there's no little sticks or anything stuck in it. It looks good. You're ready to go riding. If you have any other questions about this or any other Monster Moto product, please feel free to call us at 855-833-6483 or visit us on the web at monstermoto.com. There you'll find additional service videos as well as your closest service center.